This is your best guide on how you can replace your violin string. A few days ago, my E string snapped. I now need a new one. This is the Larsen Tzigane, a versatile string for any good player. Use a 2B pencil to smooth the grooves on the bridge and the nut. Next, unpack the string from its case and ensure it is free from any kinks. I have a ball-ended string used for a tailpiece with holes. Thread the string through the tailpiece hole. And then insert the string into the peg hole. Slowly begin winding the string onto the peg. Push the peg in to prevent it from slipping. Tune your strings using a tuner app, which will indicate whether you're too high or low. I have perfect pitch, so I use my ear. Use your pegs to tune your strings if you are far away from the correct note. Eventually, turn to your fine tuners as the pitch becomes more correct. Take a few minutes to indulge in the sound of your new string. Unlike other brands, the Larsen Tzigane takes seconds to break in. Enjoy the rich, warm tones of your newly strung violin. Subscribe to the C Strings for more. This video isn't sponsored by Larsen. I just love their strings. There's a link in the description box if you did want to purchase them.